to the first in a series of tutorials on the coding platform OctoStudio. Now, let's get straight into it. The first thing we will teach you is how to download OctoStudio. Now, if you are on an Apple iPhone, open the App Store, and if you are on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Now you will search for OctoStudio. On finding it, open and click download. Now, let us get straight into setting up your account. When you enter, you will be greeted by a prompt. It will ask you to choose your language, as you can see here. After choosing the language of your choice, you will be directed to a screen that gives you the basics of OctoStudio and a 6-minute video. The video will demonstrate the basic projects one can make on OctoStudio. But don't worry, we will be going through these projects in future videos. The next screen prompts you to create a new project. Furthermore, there is an Explore tab where you can create relatively simple projects on your own. The first thing you do is choose a sprite. A sprite is basically a character you can code with. However, you can paint, upload photos, and use the camera for a unique sprite. You can even use these for the backdrops. After choosing one of your choice, we choose the octopus. You'll be prompted to choose a backdrop of our choice, but we have chosen the stage over here. This opens up the screen where you can actually code your app. Here you will see a plethora of buttons. The button on the top left corner is the home button, which takes you back to the projects page, where you can see all the projects that you have created. Next to that, we have the share button, which, when you click it, shows you different ways where you can share the project. On the top center, there is an idea button, which shows projects that you can try to make in the future. Next to that, there is an enlarging and full screen button. Below that on the left, you have the play and pause button. Next to that, you have a button to change the sprite that you are currently coding with. On the right hand side of the button, you have a button for adding a sprite, adding a background, and for adding audio. On top of that, where you can see the blocks, the different blocks, there is a 3-dot button that reveals the zoom in, zoom out, clean up, undo, and redo buttons. Now you are ready to start coding, and we will teach you how to do so in the next episode. For further clarity in different languages, you can view this episode in Hindi and Marathi too. Please like and subscribe. Yours sincerely, Team Sigma.